guys, it's your girl Kietha T coming at you, and you can see that I am in my, well, I'm standing on my patio where I have my garden containers. I just wanted to come up here real quick and share with you all an update. So let's do it. Hold on, y'all. That is our beautiful cucumber plant. Next to her is the potato plant. And next, this is our tomato plant, guys. Isn't it going sick? Y'all, it's been about 4 weeks, I think. And this is what we're working with. I've got some work to do. And then you all know that I have my vertical planter by GreenStalk. This is the first time I'm using this, but let me give you all an update on how that's going. So that's about the same. Some of them aren't producing anything as of yet. Let's zoom in on the ones that are. Here we go. This is our dill. Next door we have some basil. There's nothing happening in the spearmint side of it. Y'all, here are the strawberry plants. They're still looking pretty much the same to me. Okay, that's a marigold. This is finally starting to sprout. Now let me show you all the other side. Hot pepper. Down here, what is this? Cilantro, guys. Look at that. And I'm not sure what this is, but there's something sprouting. Can you all see that green? Very fine. Let's see. Something happening here. What is this? Parsley. We've got a little bit of activity there. But guys, look at this. Y'all, that's my romaine lettuce. Beautiful, right? When can I start pulling from this? If you know, drop it in the comments. When am I able to start eating from this romaine lettuce plant? Okay, I want to save the best for last, so let me get it. Alright, here's an update on our strawberry plant. Y'all can see that there are numerous flowers that have sprouted, or I don't know what the proper terminology is, but this is our strawberry plant. But here we go, guys. Check this out. Look what we got here. That's our very first strawberry. Look at that. However, y'all, we're not finished. Here's another one next door to it. Look at that. Oh, y'all, when can I eat these strawberries? I'm so excited. So again, this is about 4 weeks in, and this is what we're working with our strawberry plant. This is so exciting. Y'all see that? Color and everything. I'm curious to know why the strawberry plants in the vertical planter has not started to produce. So that's my garden update. Thank y'all so much for watching. And if you have some information that you care to share to help me be more productive, please drop it in the comments. It's your girl Kietha T. Thanks for watching.